Great Northern got its start on the banks of the Mississippi River in St. Paul. The city was the east end of the line, where its partner, the Chicago, Burlington, and Quincy, took over to Chicago. The St. Paul Union Depot was a jointly owned passenger facility by the Great Northern and 7 other railroads. The original station burned and was replaced by the present one in the 1920s. The William Crooks was the first locomotive on the St. Paul and Pacific, which became the Great Northern.